Hello, and welcome to Polaris Mobility's online training and tutorial videos. These brief videos will help you quickly learn how to use various features of our platform. In today's session, we're going to show you some tips and tricks as it relates to just general navigation as a dispatcher in the ride list view. If you're not already on this view, please click on the tab at the top here to get to the ride list view as you see on the screen. As we discussed before, you've got the tabs of various rides that are in the system here. We've built a search rides field along with filters to easily filter down the rides based off of various data elements that you see here. For example, if I click on and want to look at just level of service wheelchair, it quickly goes to those records. The same can be held true for sponsors and for time filters, types of fields, etc. And this becomes very powerful so that you can look at a subset of rides in order to determine how to assign them, but also how to find records. Another easy way to find records is to use this search rides field at the top of the list here. So for example, if I've got a passenger that calls in that wants to know where my ride is, I can simply come in there and start typing their name, and you'll see the rides that are associated specifically to them. This value up here, the search rides field, can support rider name, driver name specifically on the assigned tab, sponsor, location name, and level of service. So for example, if I start typing in Northside or Northside Hospital, you'll see that just my Northside Hospital records are showing up here. If I clear out that record and I type in Piedmont Hospital, you'll just see my records for Piedmont Hospital as well. And so the other thing that we can do is we can come in here and we can search for various riders concurrently at the same time, and you'll actually see that these rides will come up as well. A few other things just to call out here. When you specifically select or hyperlink or mouse over a specific address, we'll actually launch Google Maps and show you that address information so that you can share that with drivers and those sorts of things. If you come in here and you hyperlink over the address name, if there is a Google Street View, it'll actually show you the street view with the house so that you can, again, direct your drivers to what house it is that you're picking up and dropping off that, or facility or building that you're dropping off that passenger or patient. As you can see here, as you hover over each one of these fields, you can also go out here in real time and update the time information. So for example, if I want to update this to 3:45 p.m., I can go ahead and change that in real time. And likewise, I can do that with my pickup information as well. The last thing I want to show you here is just how to see and view the rides. In this view, this is our default setting where it actually shows all the ride information so that you don't necessarily have to drill into the ride details and go through excessive clicks to find that information, although you can. And to access the ride details, you click on the 3 stars or 3 dots above, and you'll see both the map information, the scheduled pickup time and drop off, all the additional data related to the ride. And as the rides are being completed, you'll see the event history and so forth. We also can show you the notes, and this will be something that we'll cover in another training tutorial as well. To navigate back, you just hit the back button here, and it takes you back to the ride list view. So at this point, once I've got my rides listed here, if I want to see more rides in a smaller area, we also have this little toggle that you can click, which will show you rides in more of a spreadsheet view as well, and the same filters apply. So again, just wanted to share some tips and tricks in terms of how to use some of these capabilities in our Polaris Mobility platform. For more information, please contact us at info@polarismobility.com or at 857-816-9733. Thank you.